Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn the fast Yorker ball. First, let's understand the basics. A Yorker is a challenging delivery in cricket aimed precisely at the batsman's toes or the base of the stumps. It's incredibly effective for taking wickets and preventing scoring. We'll cover the essential techniques, from grip to follow-through, to help you master this powerful ball. Get ready to add a formidable weapon to your bowling arsenal. Let's start with your grip and run-up. Hold the ball with your index and middle fingers across the seam and your thumb underneath for support. Your run-up should be rhythmic and controlled, building momentum without losing balance. Aim for a consistent stride pattern. A stable head and eyes fixed on your target are key to maintaining accuracy as you approach the crease. Now for the crucial release and follow-through. As you deliver, ensure a high arm action, bringing your arm over your head. Snap your wrist forward powerfully at the point of release, driving the ball downwards. Your target is the base of the stumps or the batsman's feet. A full, committed follow-through is vital for generating maximum pace and maintaining balance, protecting your body from strain. Consistent practice is essential for mastering the Yorker. Set up targets, like a single stump or a specific spot on the pitch, and bowl repeatedly. Experiment with varying your line and length slightly to keep batsmen guessing. Once you're consistent, try adding variations like an in-swinging or out-swinging Yorker. Remember, patience and dedication will transform your Yorker into a truly devastating delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.